What's up, Mr. West here. I'm going to show you guys a really quick video on how to create a micrography value scale and how to take that value scale and start applying it to create a sphere, to add value to a circle to make it look like it's a sphere. You guys should have already done this with my previous project, the Forms with Values project, but instead of using cross-hatching, we're going to use micrography, and I'm going to give you guys a really quick demo on how to get that done. So I'm going to switch on over to the overhead and get some paper and stuff like that. I like using a pen. I suggest you use a pen. Since you're doing your final on pen, your final must be in pen, you're going to have to use a pen. All right, I'm going to switch over to the overhead. Ready now. Okay, so I'm going to do a quick demonstration on how to create a micrography value scale and a micrography sphere. So I'm just going to do a really quick, just like what I saw on the website, just a really quick bar like this. I'm going to separate it out into 6 pieces. And so this one's going to be black, and then that one's going to be white. Now I'm going to create just a really quick circle. I'm going to have the light source coming from this side. So this is my light source. That means right here is probably going to be my brightest spot, right there. You might notice I did that crazy light. So whenever I go ahead and start making it, I'm using this pen right here, this Sharpie pen. I love these pens. It's just really nice. Just so tiny little point, really good pen. I strongly suggest you get some of these pens, but honestly, just a good old-fashioned ballpoint pen will do the trick as well. You need to do this rough draft with a pen. That way it gets you used to working with the pen, and the final must be in pen. I'm going to pick out a word. I'm just going to pick out the word West because that's my last name. So since this is black, I'm just going to keep on adding the word West until this is black. And then I'm going to do this one just a little bit lighter. Now make this one a little bit lighter. Make this one just a little bit lighter. Make this one just a little bit lighter. You might also notice I'm making the bigger. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and zoom out. And there is my value scale. All right, so basically I'm going to take the same thing and put it over here. It's a little bit dark right up in here. I need to thin that out a little bit. And it looks like I have a little line right there. That's not bad. So what we have here is we have both the value scale and the sphere value worksheet, but we're using micrography. So this is the first rough draft and the second rough draft for the project. Let me know whenever you have those 2 assignments inside the art portfolio, and I'll go ahead and put in those grades, and I look forward to seeing your work. Thanks.